Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher. Now, yesterday we have seen that the factorization of algebraic expression. In this factorization, we see the factors of a quadratic trinomial. Now, today we are going to see the factors of a cube plus b cube. Now in previous chapter we have already seen that the expansion of the expansion formulae, that is the a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, a plus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube. In this way we see the expansion of the formulae. Now factors of a cube plus b cube. See, we know that a plus b bracket cube, expansion of this bracket is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Expansion of this bracket is this. Now we take common between this middle two terms. See, 3ab, here also 3ab, so 3ab common in one bracket, a plus b, from a square a, from b square b. Now a cube plus 3ab into in bracket a plus b bracket close plus b cube. Now a cube b cube right in a nearer, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b bracket close. Now a cube plus b cube equal to, if we transfer these terms to the left side, that is the a plus b bracket cube, then we write down a plus b bracket cube minus this 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now see, in this bracket a plus b bracket cube means this brackets is written in 3 times. Then we take common from this 3 times one of the bracket a plus b and this bracket a plus b. Two brackets are same, so take common a plus b in bracket. From these 3, here 2 bracket is there, so we write down a plus b bracket square minus 3ab. Now square of this, write down the expansion of this, a square plus twice ab plus b square minus 3ab. Now a square plus b square both are different, so in this 2ab plus 2ab minus 3ab, we get here minus ab, so a square minus ab plus b square. Now a cube plus b cube, this is the exponential. We write down here factor of this cubic binomial is a plus b in one bracket and in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now take example, x cube plus 64y cube. Now this write down x cube plus 64y cube in this form, a cube plus b cube. Here x cube means a cube, where in place of x a. So x cube plus, see 64 is the cube of 4. So we write down 4y bracket cube means a cube plus this bracket means b, means 4y is b cube. Then write down in first bracket a plus b means first term plus second term. Write down here first term x and second term 4y. X plus 4y in one bracket. In square bracket, square of first term minus product of two term plus square of second term. The square of first term is x square, then minus first term into second term x into 4y plus square of second term is 4y bracket square. Then write down x plus 4y in one bracket, second bracket x square minus x into 4y is minus 4xy plus square of 4 is 16y square. In this way we find out the two factors of this given example. Then we take another example, 125y cube plus 27 m cube. 125 k cube plus 27 m cube. Here 125 means cube of 5 means 5k bracket cube plus 27 is cube of 3. So write down 3m bracket cube. Now first term is 5k, second term is 3m. Now write down these two terms. In first bracket, first term plus second term 5k plus 3m bracket close. In second bracket, square bracket, square of first term means 5k square minus 5k into 3k plus square of second term 3m bracket square. Now first as it is bracket 5k plus 3m, square of 5k is 25k square minus 5 into 3 minus 15 k into m km plus square of this 3m is 9m square. In this way we find out this factor of this quantity. Now take another example, that is a cube plus 8 upon a cube. Now a cube as it is 8 upon a cube is written like this 2 upon a bracket cube means first term is a, second term is 2 by a. Now write down in first bracket first term plus second term, that is a plus 2 by a. Then square bracket, square of first term means a square minus first term into second term means a into 2 upon a plus square of second term means 2 upon a bracket square. Now in first bracket a plus 2 upon a bracket close, second bracket a square minus 2, this a cancel, plus square of this 2 by a is 4 upon a square. In this way we find out the factor of this given example. Now we take another example, fourth, 1 plus q cube divided by 125. 1 as it is, 1 cube is 1. Then write down cube of 1, that is the first term, plus second term q upon 5. 125 is nothing but cube of 5 means q upon 5 bracket cube. First term, second term. Write down first term in first bracket plus second term bracket close. Then in second bracket first term squares minus first term into second term plus second term square. Second term is q upon 5 bracket square, 1 into second term q upon 5. Then in a first bracket 1 plus q upon 5 bracket close. In second bracket 1 square means 1 minus q upon 5 plus square of this get q square upon 25. Here minus 1 into q upon 5 is minus 1 upon minus 1 into q upon 5 is minus q upon 5. Now in this way we find out the two factors of the given example. These all examples are taken from the exercise practice set 6.2. You can solve the all other examples and stay in a home. Good day. Okay, bye.